How to withdraw money from SwissBorg. How to withdraw money from SwissBorg. So this is really one of the major assets of SwissBorg. It is very easy to transfer money once you have sold your cryptos on your bank account. To make it simpler, just click on portfolio at the bottom left, then scroll down to the fiat currency you want to withdraw, for example euros here. So then we click on remove at the top right, add a bank account. We put the country of our bank account, for example in France. We put following the same for Switzerland, etc. Then we just have to enter Lebanon from our bank account. If we live in France, Lebanon from our bank account in Switzerland. If we live in Switzerland, etc. Once it is done, so we have a bank account which is registered. We just have to click on our bank account, withdraw from this account. We indicate the amount that we wish to withdraw, for example 11 francs. We put following. Then, as always, we have the summary of costs. So you should know that even if there is only 0.1% fee, there is still a minimum fee. So it's certain that if you have fun withdrawing only 10 francs, 10 euros, it will cost you a lot because the minimum is around 4 francs, 55 euros. So it is better to withdraw large amounts anyway, so as not to pay this minimum fee unnecessarily each time. All you have to do is click on confirm, and then you will have your money, which will be available in your bank account within a few days. Generally, it's like money deposits. It goes quite quickly, so a few hours if you do it early in the morning, and otherwise a day if it's a weekday, or 2 days if it's the weekend, for example.